Imagine being a student with growing debts and an empty wallet. How would you get out of this situation? Well, a young guy just like you managed to make $10,000 a month in just 90 days. And no, it's not magic. It's a proven strategy that really works. Stick with me to discover how he did it. Let me tell you about Alex, a student living on the edge. Big debts, a part-time job that barely paid, and dreams that seemed impossible. Until one day, he realized that if he didn't change something, his future was going to look exactly the same. So he made a risky move. He learned how to make money online in a way no one had taught him in school. You guessed it, he chose affiliate marketing. The first step? Learn fast. Alex consumed everything he could. Online courses, blogs, tutorials, until he understood it all. The next few days, he built a simple website about what he knew best and started creating content that helps people. Step 2, promotion. With the help of social media and paid ads, Alex drove thousands of visits to his site. Each click brought a commission, and each day became more exciting than the last. And in 90 days, the numbers spoke for themselves. Alex was already earning $10,000 a month. But that's not all. He also learned something essential. It's not just about working hard, it's about having the right strategy. In just 90 days, Alex showed that anyone can make $10,000 a month with the right work and the right strategy. Now, he's no longer living in fear of paying bills. What did he learn? Success doesn't happen overnight, but it is absolutely possible when you choose the right path. And you know what? You can do the same. Don't wait any longer. What will you choose? Continue struggling with debts or follow the steps that transform the life of a student just like you? Now is the time to start. If you want to learn more about how to apply this strategy, subscribe and leave me a comment. Let's take the first step together.